let's getting started. And what can I do? And it fell. In here I have my serums, boosters, repairs, which I'm using on daily basis. Some of them can be weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or even the one which I forget about and wanna share it with you. So in that case, you can know my opinion about them. And also to remind myself that I do have those products and it's time for me to keep using them because I forgot about them. Let's getting started. And what can I do? And it fell. When my skin doesn't look so good, or maybe when I have pimples coming out, or I want to get rid of my KP on the back of my hands, that's when I'm gonna go for Clarasil. Yes, it's base geared towards teenagers, but guess what? It has salicylic acid, which is beta hydroxy acid, and if you're familiar with Paula's Choice 2% BHA, yes, this is the same product which is inside. So even though it's drugstore, it's still affordable. And depending on your skin type, you're not gonna use it every single day unless you wanted to. So this comes in a form of a soak and pad, which you're gonna take it out, swipe it all over, and then just go along with your day. So those one, at least in this one, I have 90 pads. It comes in different strengths. I use this instead of a toner, but I can easily consider put it together into the serum category. And talking about pads from Avon, I have their 10% glycolic acid. And I don't know if they sell this one here because I brought this one from Europe, but possible they do have it and the concept is the same. Inside are pads which are soaked with 10% AHA. This is good for traveling. Following up with hyaluronic acid, which hold moisture in your skin, but you do want to put something over it to seal it. This particular one, it's from Nivea, and yes, this is a pure hyaluronic acid. And what I mean by it, right now you don't have to buy single ingredients. You can just buy a cocktail of different, let's say cocktail, well, let's say you're gonna have 2 or 3 different ingredients put together. As an example, I can give you Garnier Vitamin C Serum, where you have vitamin C, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. So once I finish this, as much as I like the product, no, I'm not gonna repurchase. Since I wanna finish what I have in my stash, I'm gonna bring this one up, which is the Hadolab Anti-Aging Hydrator with Super Hyaluronic Acid, Collagen, Retinol Complex. And similarly, it has a gloopy texture. And technically, it does the same thing as the Nivea, except comes with a pump and it's affordable. Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. I've been using this for years and I do like it. It repairs your skin while you sleep. Also, you can use it during the day to give it the extra hydration, give it the glow. You can mix with your foundation in case if you want to share it out. So yes, it is a good product. And sticking with the brown bottles, Clarins Double Serum. That's one of the older packages. And why? Because previously there used to be 2 chambers, now it's 1 chamber, and I don't know how the new one looks like. This particular one has many herbal extracts, and yeah, you can control how much product's gonna come up. So I don't want to put it too much. Yeah, and then you just mix it, apply it on your face. It's one of those things that you're gonna see immediate hydration, but you're not gonna really see the difference till you stop using it. When you use it, your skin kind of looks good, and then when you stop, you're like, something is missing. And that's this product. As much as I like it, I will finish, but no, I'm not gonna rebuy it. Elizabeth Arden capsules, I have multiple of those. Those are the one which I have in my bathroom, but yeah, I do have more than this. So this is their ceramides for eyes, and yes, come in the actual capsule. When you take it out, break it off, and then put it underneath your eyes. And second one, it's the retinol or vitamin C. Vitamin C. The concept is the same. It's great for travel. Also, one of those can, I'm not sure about this, but one of those, it's enough for your whole face. The only minus, besides the price, is that okay, whatever is inside, it has an oily consistency. So it's nice if your skin is dry, or if you don't like putting too many products, or maybe you are traveling and you want to minimize your luggage. But let's say if you're home and you want to put it this, that's it. Because you have that slip and you cannot really put moisturizer or something heavy on the top unless maybe it's like a light lotion. But once you have that oily film on it, your skincare is done. And that's one of the reasons why I still have those, because if I'm gonna put this, I cannot really put nothing afterwards. So the issue which I have with this comes with this one as well. That's the Paula's Choice Super Antioxidant Concentrate Serum with retinol for dry, very dry. And yeah, that was the antioxidants which work with free radicals which damage your skin. And since you have the retinol, you know it also is gonna repair. You can use it at night, you can use it during the day, but make sure you're gonna put your SPF. And as good as this product is, it's kind of similar. Once you put it on, you're gonna have that oily film. I do like to layer my serums, so after I'm gonna put this, that's it. I cannot apply nothing else. I'm gonna repeat myself that there is no way I still have it. Technically, I'm forcing myself to use it. And yeah, I think I'm kind of somewhere here on the bottom. So yes, once I finish this, no, I'm not gonna repurchase, especially now that Paula's Choice being sold. Okay, they've been sold a couple years ago, but now it's more about profit than the actual Paula's Choice being bought by Unilever, and obviously they wanna get their money back. So yes, they're gonna raise the prices. They're gonna continue with the philosophy which Paula Bigon has when she started the brand. I don't know, but so far people are not really happy with what happened. So yes, once I finish it up, no, I'm not gonna repurchase. Same like some other stuff. And why I'm saying that, because where are you? Here we go. Paula's Choice have 2% BHA, which is a good and cool product, been on the market for a long time, people love it, but it's up there in a price, and there are many other alternatives like this one, and also Costa Baja, they have their own version, so you don't really have to overspend. And talking about Paula's Choice, that's their omega complex serum with chia, flax seeds, all skin types, strengthen, nourishes for visibly smooth, healthy, glowing skin. And this is supposed to be like a serum treatment. I try to finish it because I have it for so long. It's one of those products which I don't know how much is in it. They tell you to use 1 or 2 pumps on your face. I'm using even 2 or 3 just to put it everywhere, even on my neck, and somehow I cannot finish this product. If it does something, I don't know, because I just want to finish it. Let me pick up the bottle. Strengthen, nourishes visibly smooth, healthy, glowing skin. Does hydrate. When your skin is hydrated, obviously it's gonna look better. So from that standpoint, yeah, sure. But no, I'm not gonna rebuy it. Okay, few more items left. Night serum from Bliss. In the past, I have one in a pink bottle, which has which was for hydration with hyaluronic acid. This particular one comes in a blue bottle and it's for nighttime. Renew Smooth Glycolic Polyhydroxy Acid Night Serum. Glycolic, it's more delicate than BHA. Tea acid, I think it's like one of the newer acids. It's not like new, it's been on the market, but it become more popular. As I told you earlier, I need to get back to using the product because this I have in my bathroom, but I'm not using it because I have this and this one on the shelf as well. So yes, I need to force myself and tell myself to finish what I have before I'm gonna get something new, unless I'm traveling and there are products which I cannot buy it in here. Different gel with adapalene, which you can easily use instead of retinol, or let's call it's a drugstore version of retinol. It's a small tube. It's for acne treatment, but you can easily use, instead of a retinol, and sticking with retinol reface from Indeed Lab. And what I like about it is the pump. I have it in the past, so this is like my repurchase, or let's say I took it out from my stash. It comes in the form of a, that's not really smell, in a cream. They used to have patches. Yeah, it's like a pads were coming in a container like this with a red on the top, and those were the bakuchiol patches. So in case if you were pregnant and you couldn't use retinol, that was a good, where did I put it? That was a good alternative. And then 2 more items. This I have to bring it in. That's the number 7 Matrixel 3000. No, line correcting booster serum with Matrixel 3000, which they claim it's gonna work with your lines, wrinkles, make your skin look better. However, peptides and ceramides, they naturally occur in your skin. So if they're missing, yeah, your skin is not gonna look good. But if you provide it, the skin will take what it needed to make it work. So yes, I will bring this one back. Unfortunately, it's not cheap. So once I okay, over the years I went through many of those. So yes, I do like the product, but it's not cheap. So I'm gonna buy the one from Timeless because it comes in like a small bottle, and then you can buy like a. Alright, I'm using this as an example because you can buy the small bottle and the big bottle. The small one, it's 1 ounce, the big one, it's 4. So once I finish the small one, you just keep refilling it. And that way, it's way cheaper than buying the bottles by themselves. From Estee, I have their Ferment, which is Perfectionist Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment with vitamin C. Also comes with a pump. One of the beauty editors say this is a product which Estee did it right. Why? Because ferments. Okay, if you're familiar with SK2, that product has ferments. So this has them as well. Also has vitamin C. Let me read you the claims. What you're supposed to do. Ultra hydrating, ultra lightweight, brightening serum rapidly reveals skin luminosity and a more even tone look over time, with a powerful concentration of our clarity boosting blend, including vitamin C plus 2 potent ferments. Skin looks more even and glowing, helps smooth skin texture and enhance its natural radiance with anti-irritants and intense hydrators. Last sentence. It infuses skin with plumping, soothing, long-lasting moisture and avoid eye area. Okay, so it comes with a pump. Yeah, it has that runny consistency. Because it's in a pump, it's not gonna oxidize. I have this one in the past and I like it but it's not cheap, so usually I'm buying when it's on sale. But overall, it is a nice product. Then the last one, it's from Jaya. That's their vitamin C cream. When I was in Jaya store, I asked them about vitamin C serum, but they didn't have it, so the sales associate, she recommended this, which is vitamin C with hyaluronic acid for day and night. You know what, let me clean my hand because there's so much product, it's gonna be hard for me to show you. But this is more like a cream. There is no percentages of vitamin C or hyaluronic acid, so obviously it's going to be less than 10% for vitamin C, and hyaluronic acid, no idea. It doesn't really smell because of the consistency. I use this before my actual moisturizer, or I layer within my other serums. So let's say I'm gonna put, okay, so let's say at nighttime I'm gonna put this, then maybe this, then I'm gonna apply then I'm gonna go with this, and then the moisturizer. Because of the texture, it can act a little like a moisturizer, but if your skin is dry, this will not be enough. It's not a bad product. I will finish it up. If I repurchase, I don't know. However, because it has 2 ingredients in one, that's nice thing about it. In the comments, let me know what are your current serums and if you will recommend them. My bin is empty and I see you in the next video. Bye for now.